Hi friends, this is a braised pork belly empanada, and boy is it good.
For the empanada dough, I'm starting with some flour, salt, and a pinch of paprika. Off to the side, I had some melted butter and I'm adding it bit by bit while stirring it in between. Keep doing this until all the butter has been incorporated and combined thoroughly into a smooth dough. It's pretty oily, so I recommend using a spatula, but feel free to get in there with your hands. Transfer it into a Ziploc bag. I find the cup trick makes the transfer much easier because it's so oily the whole thing just plops right in. Then refrigerate the dough for at least 2 hours. For the braised pork belly, I'm using leftovers from one of my previous videos. Check that out if you want to learn how to make it. Chop it up with the sauce while cold, then I added some finely cut and sauteed onions, mushrooms, and zucchinis to add a bit of veggies into it, then mix it up. Flour your work surface and break off a small piece of dough, then roll it out into a thin sheet. The cold dough should be firmer and much easier to work with. I use an empanada press, which makes the process more convenient and honestly really satisfying to see these perfect parcels come out of it. We can also just roll the edges or press it with a fork. Next, beat an egg and add a little bit of water, then brush the egg wash onto the surface of the empanada and bake it at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Look at that beautiful color and shine. The filling is so meaty, juicy, and full of flavor. Braised pork belly goes well with pretty much any carbohydrate, but it is bussin' in empanadas. It's so good, I broke out into a full-out food dance. You can freeze and reheat them in the oven or air fryer whenever you're hungry.